Hello, in this video we are going to talk about cost function and some basic concept of econometric. So what we are going to show is how we can draw the cost function for the case of a small firm and for the case of a bigger firm. Okay, in previous videos we have seen that we can approximate the cost function by a polynomial of degree 3, and let's assume that we have 10 points of this curve for, let's say, the small company. So we're going to draw here 10 points, and this is the cost function for a small firm, and we have another set of data for the bigger firm. Let's assume that this is the data that we have for the bigger firm. Okay. In the next video we are going to see more details about the econometric, how you can find the best polynomial degree 3 that fit in this point. But now I want to see another important issue. If we see here, let's take this curve and let's analyze the following thing. If the revenue is this here, this cyan line, we can see that the maximum difference between the revenue and the cost is about here. Okay, so for the small company the optimum quantity of unit to sell is about here, because if this small firm managed to sell this quantity, then he will get the maximum profit. Okay, where the maximum profit for the bigger firm is a difference between, we can try to something like that. So the maximum difference between revenue and cost for the bigger function is, let's say, about here. So for the bigger firm, the optimum amount of quantity that he should sell to maximize profit is about here. Now, what happens if the price of, in this case, wheat goes down? In this case, the slope of the revenue function, the slope will go down. Let's say that go down to this case here. So this is the new revenue function. So in this case, what is the optimum quantity of unit for the small and for the bigger firm? Well, in this case, what we can see, we're going to erase everything. So in this case, if this is the new revenue function, the price went down. In this case, what we can see is that for the bigger company, the difference, the maximum difference between revenue, which is this, and cost, which is this, the maximum is about here, for example. So the quantity of unit that the big company should sell in order to maximize profit is this quantity of unit. So what happens for the small company? For the small company, we can see that in all of the cases, the costs are always higher than the revenue. So what will happen intuitively is that this small firm will not be anymore in the market, because intuitively costs are higher than revenue. So this small company will not participate anymore of the supply for wheat. Okay, in the next video we are going to see with more detail the econometric part, and we are going to see with more detail how the firms are excluded and what is the repercussion in the supply curve for a particular market. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.